To schedule Semrush position tracking, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the position tracking tool. This tool allows you to monitor your website's ranking for specific keywords over time, providing valuable insights into your search engine optimization efforts. First, create a new position tracking campaign by clicking on the Setup button and entering your domain name. Next, add the keywords you want to track, either manually or by importing them from a file. You can also use Semrush's keyword research tool to find relevant keywords for your campaign. Once you have added your keywords, set your target location and device type, as this will affect the accuracy of your position tracking data. You can choose from a range of locations and devices, including desktop, mobile, and tablet. Now, set your tracking schedule, which determines how often Semrush will check your website's position for the specified keywords. You can choose from a range of frequencies, including daily, weekly, or monthly. For most campaigns, daily tracking is recommended, as it provides the most up-to-date information. In addition to scheduling your position tracking, you can also set up notifications to alert you when your website's position changes significantly. This can help you stay on top of your search engine optimization efforts and make adjustments as needed. To get the most out of Semrush position tracking, it's essential to regularly review your data and adjust your campaign settings as needed. This may involve adding or removing keywords, adjusting your target location, or changing your tracking schedule. By following these steps and using Semrush position tracking effectively, you can gain valuable insights into your website's search engine performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your search engine optimization strategy. Remember to regularly monitor your data and adjust your campaign settings to ensure you're getting the most out of this powerful tool.